All right, so now I'm back at the soldering station. What I want to do is I want to tack these on my master copy, and then I can pull them off once I get enough solder on them and they're stiff enough to work with. The important thing here is when you start to bead the one side, don't go to all the way to the end because you need to put stuff together. It's okay to go ahead and tin it and just put that thin layer on, but don't put any beads or anything thicker than that. Tinning it is okay out here, but only bead it to about there. Okay? Leave a little space so when you put things together, it actually fits. All right, now we're at this portion of this where I've got everything soldered. And again, I'm taking the bead almost to the edge, but not quite. If you can see that. All right, so each one of these I'm gonna flip over one at a time. And then I'm gonna solder the other side. That way I don't lose my place when soldering them. Even though they all look the same, there are very minor differences in how they fit together. So make sure you keep everything the same. Okay, now that you've soldered, tinned, and beaded the inside and the outside, now we can begin to put the box together. And what you're gonna need is at least 2 of these clamps, so you can pick these up and put them together. All right, so what I need to do now, turn these back around and start lining them up, okay? So we'll move this over here and put this here. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and clamp this together and I'll be right back.